Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Prescribed Adventures. And today we are on board Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas. And we are going to give you a quick tour of the suite neighborhood. So we're going to be in here real early in the morning. Not going to be a lot of people in here, but I wanted you to see everything. So first you're going to look at the suite lounge right here. There's plenty of seating, and this is where you're just going to come, sit down, relax, enjoy the beautiful views towards the outside of the ship. And here's where you'll be able to sit and have your continental breakfast that they're putting out right now. And they'll have bagels, donuts, yogurt with fruit, granola, those type of things. And in the evening, they have the happy hour with different types of hors d'oeuvres. And it's also, you will be able to get cocktails, beer, wine, soda, and right here we have the coffee maker. And also for hot water, they have teas, different flavors of teas. And right here is where the suite concierge is. Here on Wonder of the Seas, there are 2 concierges, and they'll be able to take care of all your needs. If you didn't book any shows or dinners prior to boarding, they can take care of all that for you. Basically, it's your own private guest services area, except for money. They can't take money, but they can do everything else for you. And now let's head over to the Coastal Kitchen Suites Only restaurant. Before we get there, how about giving us a big thumbs up if you're enjoying this early morning walkthrough video? And let us know down in the comments, have you been on Wonder of the Seas? Have you stayed in a suite? And how much you enjoyed it? Let us know. Now, this is the number one reason we do stay in suites when we can, is for the Coastal Kitchen. You get breakfast, lunch, and dinner included. Dinner does require reservations, so when the suite concierge reach out to you before the cruise, let them know what times you would like to have dinner at Coastal Kitchen, and they'll set all that up for you. The breakfast menu every day is usually the same, but there is a rotating menu for lunch and dinner, and that will populate in your app so you can check out what they're offering each day. And look at that down there. There's the boardwalk, and you got the Aqua Theater on Wonder of the Seas. They have an all-female cast, and the show is called Intense, and it was incredible. I highly recommend it. Make sure you get your reservations for that as well. And right here we have the bar area. And once again, 11 to 11, beer, wine, and soda, and happy hour 5 to 8 every night. So that concludes the tour of the Coastal Kitchen and Suite Lounge area here on deck 17. Now let's head up to deck 18 and the Suite Sun Deck. And having the Suite Sun Deck up here on 18 is a huge improvement from previous Oasis class ships, where it was in the front of the ship away from the rest of the suite area. And this now makes it a truly suite neighborhood that you would never have to leave if you chose to do that. Here you'll find oversized cushion loungers, shaded day beds, and smaller seating areas if you want something a little more secluded. Here is the Suite Sun Deck bar, and the same rules apply as downstairs. During the day, beer, wine, and soda complimentary, and happy hour 5 to 8. And of course, you can always use your drink packages or your diamond vouchers. And as we continue on, plenty of loungers over here near the pool, and let's check out this pool area. Again, a huge addition here on Wonder of the Seas compared to the previous Oasis class ships that did not have a dedicated pool for the suite guests. Gonna sneak around here in the corner here, and in the front you have these loungers that are in the pool, and over here you have a hot tub. So it's not huge, but this is a great addition to the suite neighborhood here on Wonder. So if you are like me and you normally try to avoid the main pool deck because of the crowds or the noise, this space alone makes booking a suite well worth it. And that is the suite neighborhood here on Wonder of the Seas. If this walkthrough helped you understand what you actually get when you're booking a suite, please do me a favor, hit that like button. That tells YouTube this is the kind of content that people actually want to see. And if you're planning a cruise on Wonder, or any Royal Caribbean ship, make sure you're subscribed. We break these ships down deck by deck so you can cruise smarter and avoid the surprises when you get on board. And if you want to see more of Wonder of the Seas, we have a full playlist here, including our Grand Suite tour. And you can also check out this video on the previously mentioned full tour of the new Royal Beach Club here in Nassau Paradise Island. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.